Welcome back, fellow viticulture enthusiasts. Today we're going to take a walk through the container vineyard and show you what I'm doing this year to prevent the birds from eating all the grapes. Coming up on Greens and Machines.
greensandmachines.com.
Take a look in front of you and see the beauty of the vineyard. Lots of leaf growth and lots of big clusters forming. If you remember from last year's video, my anti-bird method was to bag up all the clusters with paper bags. Now that there are a lot more clusters this year, that's much too tedious. So we're going to install some bird netting over the vines. I bought a few packages of some 14 feet by 14 feet bird netting to cover up 2 areas of the vineyard. I'll put a link to what I'm using in the description below. It was pretty easy to staple one side of the netting to the top of the wood fence, while zip tying it to the fence on the other side. For the other half of the vineyard, instead of draping it over the planter boxes adjacent to it, we zip tied the net to the handles of the buckets. So there are still some entry points the birds can come in, but this keeps them from swooping in from the top of the vineyard. Who knows, maybe the grapevines will start to grow along the top of the bird netting. That might pose a problem with the weight of the vines. We'll see what happens, and if it keeps the birds away. We're about 2 to 3 months away from harvest, so sit tight, subscribe, and we'll see you later this year when the grapes start to ripen.